Hi, I'm Chanel, Global Colour Ambassador for Indola. This is my lovely model Satu. Today we have a tutorial on how to use ageless shades with Transformer for your follow-up services. So I've had my consultation with Satu using the Indola Colour Consultation Wheel. Looking at the skin tone and eye colour, we both feel that a deeper, richer and darker shade would be more complementary. So we're going to be using the warm light palette still. I've chosen our youthful strobing technique using our ageless shades on the roots and our transformer on the mid-lengths and ends, just like you would for all follow-up services. So I've put my sections in. The sections are to the natural parting. I have a profile section and a radial section. Using my darker shade, I will apply a root application starting at the concentrated white area first. To ensure you get full coverage using your ageless shades, push the colour in rather than sweep the colour. I've finished my root application using Indola Ageless Shade. I've now freshly mixed for my mid-lengths and ends using PCC and Transformer. I will start the strobing technique, starting at the nape of the neck, bringing all the hair away from the face. Strobing is a three-hand highlighting technique. It's completely bespoke, as no two people will ever have the same amount of white to natural hair. I'm using two shades and choosing where I would like to see the lighter shade and the darker shade. For heavier strobing, it's good to use a sponge. And for a softer strobing look, use your angled brush. When you come to the front of the hair, take sections in the natural hair direction. I've now finished my technique and I will be processing for a further 15 minutes. So this is our finished look. As you can see, by using youthful strobing and the ageless shades on the roots and the transformer on the ends, you get loads of shine and you have this three-dimensional colour effect.